So this is the jewelry box that I just made for Tina's jewelry swap in my group Queens of Craft. Well, I'm only making this video for the group, so. And I just did this, and I think it was so adorable. Let me hold it this way. Okay. So I made this. I just used a regular cardboard box that I had. This was a flat box. I don't remember what came in it, but something came in it in the mail. I try to save boxes that I know I can work with and make things out of. Any brown box or any white box that I get in the mail that I know I can repurpose and make something out of, I do keep them. So I just use regular regular paper, craft paper, to decorate with, and I use the same paper on the bottom, the top, and the inside. And right here I folded the paper to put on there, and I used some embellishments, stickers, some ribbon. I don't have a closure. I do have some closures, but I didn't put a closure on here because the jewelry, I already got the jewelry that I'm putting on here, in here and everything. I'm not sure if it will close, so I just decided to leave it open or whatever. And I may just put a ribbon around it or something, but I thought it was cute the way it is. And on the back side, I just added the same paper, some lace ribbon on top of some blue ribbon. Also a big pretty one of those big pretty flowery things from the Dollar Tree, because when I ship it I'm gonna have to flatten it down, and I thought that would go good because it moves up and down very easily, especially for shipping. Flowers that I got from littlebirdie.crafts.com. I have a whole bunch of these little flowers, and I love working with those. And I love bling, so I have tons of bling. And so whoever my partner is will get this, and they will get some jewelry. I have a little bit of everything that I mixed in, so I hope you guys, whoever my partner is, likes it. And I hope you like the jewelry box. So thank you for watching.